Door Solenoid. Get a good look at our door here. Alright, I'm going to lower this down a little bit. Watch out. A little too quick. What I'm going to do, I'm going to take and mount this door solenoid in here. Such a way that it pulls on the lock. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to open this up right here so you can see where the action is actually going to happen. And we'll do some modifications to the solenoid so the solenoid works in there properly. Among the many things we'll be doing to the solenoid is we have to make sure it's properly grounded. It's very important to our process. I'm going to get a lousy picture out of it. Sorry. By the way, to the guy who said it would be better if I used a tripod, you're wrong. Alright, now, anyway. Okay, for some unknown reason yesterday, or the other day rather, when I was doing my post-production work after shooting the video, the installation of this solenoid evaporated, and I wasn't able to discuss how I did it. Now I'm going to do it real quick. So notice that I put carriage bolts here. I'm a big fan of carriage bolts. They're actually fairly easy to put in the fiberglass. Okay, we drill a 1/4-inch hole on the center. Then we drill on the 4 corners an 1/8-inch hole, and then kind of grind the sides flat so that we have a square opening, and that allows the carriage bolt to be locked into place. Of course, on the inside, all we have to do is put a nut on it. It's a little more difficult in this area to put a nut on than I would normally say, because it's a little tight in here for your hands, but it can be done, and I did do it on all 4 of these, and it's nice and tight. I also put 2 ground wires on this post. One goes up to here. You can actually see the ground wire. This grounds the solenoid to the door frame. There's also a ground wire that goes through a harness here, and it goes all the way over to the dashboard part of the car, and that grounds that's the alternate ground. Okay. Now, positive, negative, our ground and our power. As you can see, my assistant will close up on this. I got the cable put in. You notice I leave a little slop in that. That's okay. And you'll notice the latch is locked. Ready? Here we go. 1. No, don't do that. I want you to focus on the latch. Ready? Here we go. That was it. You'll notice this thing has a resounding bang to it. Here we go again. Watch. Now, focus in right here. Oh, wait, let's do this. You got a good close-up? Alright, here we go again. One last time. Alright, now, give me the camera. Okay, as you can see, the latch works quite well. I'm going to let my assistant do the electrical part right now. Go ahead, do the electric. Here. And we'll do a real close-up of this, just so you can watch this thing open up. On 3. He's quick, isn't he? Now, one more time. I'm going to show you the latch from the inside. Alright? And that's how the solenoid works. Now, why is this sloppy? Well, you don't have to do it anymore, alright? One of the reasons this is sloppy is I don't want a lot of tension on this. We want the tension to be done from the door. The door lock rod will unlock this as well. If we put too much tension on here, just going over a bump will cause it to unlock. So we want just the right amount of tension. This is about the right amount of tension. Not too much. Okay, not too much, not too tight, just a little bit loose. And click it one more time, just to show the good folks at home and the studio audience what's going on. There it is. See how that works? Alright, here's my assistant, and he's going to show us how this works. Now you'll see the car door is closed, and he's going to hit it. There we go. Voila. Now, one more time just so you can see it. Alright, now one of the things this particular kit came with, and I want to show it to you just so you can see, is this is their version of a door popper. It's a spring-loaded piece that goes here that what I'm doing is I actually put it inside this opening so that when we close the door and click it, oh, I think I got that.